It was supposed to be just another late night. Ethan Cole, a quiet office worker, stayed behind after everyone else had gone home. He finished his shift, packed up, and walked toward the elevator like he always did. He pressed the lobby button. Then he saw it. A new button, right below basement 3. It wasn't there yesterday. It simply said -1. He hesitated, tried to ignore it, but the button lit up, all on its own. The elevator doors closed. It began descending, faster than usual. The floor display glitched. The lights flickered. Then, darkness. A robotic voice echoed through the chamber. Arriving, sub-level, unknown. When the doors opened, it wasn't the lobby. It was a hallway, long, empty, and cold. He stepped out. Concrete walls stretched endlessly. Buzzing lights blinked overhead. The elevator behind him vanished. He called out. No answer. Then a whisper. Ethan. A figure stood at the far end. Tall, unmoving. Its face distorted, flickering like static. It didn't walk. It glitched closer. Every blink, closer. Faster. Wrong. He ran. Lights shattered above him. The hallway stretched, folding into itself. Then the elevator reappeared, open, waiting. He dove inside. The doors slammed shut. He wasn't alone. There was a breath behind him. When the lights returned, Ethan was gone. At 3:26 a.m., the elevator opened in the main lobby. Empty. Later, security checked the footage. There was no -1 button. No Ethan entering. Only static. All records of him gone. But they found something. A single badge under the elevator. Old. Cracked. It read, Ethan Cole. Analytics. They shut the elevator down for 2 weeks, rebooted the whole system. Still, every night at exactly 3:13 a.m., the button appears again. It lights up, calls to someone, anyone. And if you're ever alone in a quiet office building late at night and you see that button, don't press it. Don't look at it. Don't even blink. Because the next time the doors open, it might not be for you. It might be for the one who's still waiting below on sub-level unknown.